Welcome to the channel, everybody. That's how my day is going. This wasn't that heavy of a load. Kind of curious about what this looks like down here. That's been broken for quite some time, it looks like. So anyway, this is my cover crop seed. Came today. We had some rain today, but I think I might be able to get in the field and pick some soybeans. So we'll see where this leads. We might have a harvest video going on here a little bit. But I gotta get this done. It's supposed to rain again tonight. So, of course, borrow my brother's tractor and it breaks while I'm using it. But he carries round bales on the front end of this thing. That's not heavier than a round bale. But anyway, time to unload. Life got a little bit harder. All right, we are moving right along here. The combine is doing a great job. As you can see, it doesn't really care much about any of this green stuff at all. It just kind of eats it up. I've got my #1 little helper here. Can you do a little recording for me, sweetheart? Try to hold the camera steady. Why don't you show them what's in the hopper there?
In the what?
In the hopper in the back.
Should I just like put it up?
Yeah. What do we got in there? All right, we are moving right along. Got the outside rows done here. It's the last pass on the edge rows, and they're not as good as in there, but we got some soybeans in the bin already. I'm very happy about that. Tickled pink. If I get 4 hoppers off of this, I am in the money. Let's put it that way. If I get 3 hoppers off of it, I'm doing good. If I get 4 hoppers, I'm one happy organic farmer. Let's put it that way. Glenn is running great here. Did a little bit of adjusting on the reel and brought it closer to get it to feed better, and I'm having way better luck than I have than I was when I started here. So I'm happy about that. Like I said, some beans in the hopper. I'm not cleaning them really good because they're kind of dry. So I'm actually running a little less air, and I'm letting them have a little bit of dirt in the tank, I guess. What I've heard that before. Dirt in the tank is cash in the bank. Is that a thing? Well, we're going with it. Is this year. So that's what we've got picked so far. Not much here. Once we get into the field, though, it really starts to load in. Always got to be playing with your toys. There's not a camp tractor around for all of that. Probably 18,000 pounds in there. Come on. Still got a little bit thick. Haven't gotten any GoPro footage yet, but that is going to be coming, don't worry. do some time lapse and get some footage of the combine going through the fields here. Probably. It was fighting coming up that hill a bit. All right, it's a new day. I went last night until this happened. And I didn't even dig it out. I just, 9 times out of 10, I found out that if I just leave, it'll just end up feeding through when I push the button today. So, plug last night and be fine today. So something that is a lot different about these soybeans this year. If you can see this green stem, all right, I got everything calibrated and we're looking at right at 13%. I mean, I'm right on the money as far as moisture, but look at the stems. They're green yet. Very odd year for drying down, really quick. Things, it's just a, I mean, they're not even, very odd year. But anyway, I'm gonna start off this morning by greasing everything, checking oils, all that fun stuff. Set you up on time lapse, and you can watch my everyday morning regiment before I go out picking with this thing. Stick around. All right, forgot to grease these on the camera, so you're gonna miss me grease that one and the one inside of there, and the couple that I've got on the bearing race there. Oh, you got stuff on the camera here. There we go. All right, this was my minor breakdown yesterday. This here chain, as you can see, that wore through. So I have another link, but that is for this one right here. And you can see why it messed up. That's the tensioner. Not much left of it. So I'm just gonna fix that and see if I can maybe get another tensioner around here, or I might just have to rig that one on there and plan on getting one here in the next couple of days. So I'm gonna do that, and I still got to clean out the air filter and just check the engine oil. So I've got this little container that came in the combine and just kind of stays in the combine, and this is why that's not the right one. There's one. Just got to find a lock for it. I'm gonna dig through and, oh wait a minute, here we go. I think I just found some new ones. All right, I'm gonna look through them, we'll fix these and bring it right back. Last but not least, cleaning out my air filter. It gets in there after one day. Important. Get rid of that shit. Alright, I gotta, this is working. Works better with your hand. Just gonna tap that out, put it back in, and I think I'm about ready to fire this thing up. Filter wasn't too bad today, was it? Alright. That's that. Pre-morning maintenance is done. I checked the oil already, it was good. Radiator's good. Fire this beast up. Got a little bit of a pile of stuff here that I got my straw walkers a little clogged up yesterday. So I got my loader here. I'm just going to try to spread that out so that it'll disc up. Here I come. I'm coming. Watch out, Lexi. Your sister's got it. Good job. All right, it's a brand new day. I've got a semi coming at 1, so I got going a little bit early, and I come into this grass here and didn't get slowed down in time. Still a little tough in the grass, so I got a plug. Gonna get that out real quick. Move along. Courtney.
What?
Show them what I'm doing.
So that's how Daddy does it. That's how my dad does it. It's just it. Mostly on weeds. It won't seem to mow it. It seems to want that wants to come by now, the weeds. So it means I'm not, but my dad didn't clean it yet. Should I pause it now?
Sure. Alrighty. I mentioned a little bit, I got a semi truck coming at 1 o'clock. I've got right about 750 bushels fixed right now. So really, if I just get this hopper filled, I'll be just fine, because the third semi-load isn't going to be quite full, so it's not like I need to overload these guys. With the corn last year, I am guilty of overloading them a couple of times. You know, if you're a trucker, you should never listen to the farmer, let's just put it that way, because he's going to try to get you to haul more than what you're supposed to. Anyway, yeah, so we're, I'm a little early here. The dew just came off. The grass is definitely too tough to be going through the combine, but the soybeans are just fine. So I don't really have too bad a grassy patch this year. You guys can see it out here. We're moving along. The worst part about it in the morning is right there. Damn dirt clods. They're fun, and then every once in a while you gotta open up your trap door and get the mud out of your separator bar down there. That's one of the morning maintenance things I guess I didn't show you yesterday. But all in all, let's see here, I have picked 0.658 acres. I don't know if you can see in there, but moving right along. I got my helper, number 1 helper. Oh, I just thought, boy, nothing like a hug in the combine, make you feel good. So I'm going to keep moving on. To get some footage, show you my unload load area down there. It's a pretty nice area for the truckers. I'll show you what I got going on down there. And, we're going to be using a little Massey on the auger, so I figure why not. So yeah, stick around, more to come. Man, look at what the neighbors dropped off for me. How thoughtful of them. And there's my youngest. How's the seed look up there, honey? It's good? Good. Look at what else they brought me. I don't care that it's green. If you're gonna drop it off, I'll take it. I'd take it, sell it, and go buy 2 gleaners is what I'd do. Well, I had a wrap up right there. I had to get out there. A blade of grass did that. Look at that. I'm going to be bleeding all over my combine for a little bit. Alrighty. I don't know what exactly happened here, but that one and that one definitely caught something. So I'm going to fix them up, and hopefully I don't have problems at the end of the night there. I was bunching up, and that is probably why. So I've got some of them are used, but I replaced all of them a couple of years back. That one's not. One's got a notch out of it, but there's some of them that are like new. I'm just going to put on, and back out to the field I go. All right, there's them 2, and I found another one right here. There's a couple more that could be replaced. Where is it? There's a broken one right here. There's a broken one. But in the beans, there's not a row there. I'm not cutting with that, so I'm not going to put a new one on there and risk hitting a rock. This back field that I'm in, I know what's happening. It gets really rocky back there, and there's a lot of little rocks, and I'm sure that's what's happening, wreaking havoc on everything. So I'm going to finish this field. It's this one right back here that I'm in. As you get back there, it gets bad. So there's probably, I don't know, 4 acres back there left to do, and it's all in that nice rocky, crappy clay. So I'm just going to replace the ones that I need to right now and move on. So, well, look at what I found. Never seen it out here before, but I definitely found it. Here's another chunk. Looks like I found it right there. Oh boy. Fix that. Move on. Such an odd place to find this stuff. Makes me wonder if there was like an old building here, or old cement waterway or something. I don't know. It doesn't just randomly get out in the field though. There's a reason. I'll come back with the loader and pick that up. Alright, I came up to the buildings here. I put that sucker in the vise and I beat it straight with a sledgehammer. Back on there, I'm headed back out. And everything's working wonderfully again. So anyway, this is the unload area. I forgot to kind of show you guys. This is a access road, dead end road. That there is a cul-de-sac. Semi come down, turn around in the cul-de-sac, come, load up, and off he goes. Works out pretty good right here. The Massey yesterday did good until I really opened it up and I filled this 10-inch auger and the tractor died. So that was fun. I had to get on it and give her full throttle and just kind of work the clutch to get it to run all that grain up there. It was pretty good. So anyway, lesson learned on that. I'm gonna get the D17 and put on this auger so that I can actually run some grain up it. I got rained out, so got the wagons in the shed. It rained enough to get me out of the field picking. However, I think I might hit the disc up, get some stuff disced. We'll see what happens. Wonder how the semi driver likes the I don't know why he didn't cut it. He just wanted to drive over my cultivator marks, I guess. So anyway, that's another storage building that we got. Not a storage container obviously, but it's yeah, you see what it is. But anyway, we're not exactly ready because it came in the middle of harvest, so future video, guys, future video. Well, I never did get the disc hooked up. I looked at the radar and there was more coming, and another little front behind it, and we got more chances overnight, so I probably won't be running tomorrow either. Anyway, I guess we'll call this a video here. I got 50 acres done. Well, I got 54 acres left, so I got 46 acres done, and everything's moving right along. Other than the couple of minor issues that I've showed you, there's really hasn't been much happening with Glenn here. Everything's been going smoothly. Find some wood to knock on. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. Really helps get the videos out there. And the next video will be finishing up harvest and starting cultivation. Thanks for watching, everybody.